Since x is squared and y is not squared in this problem, we have a parabola. In intermediate algebra, parabolas can either open down like this or up like this. This point right here is called the vertex. So when it's opening up, it is the lowest point. When it's opening down, it's the highest point. In pre-calculus, you can have parabolas opening to the left and to the right. And then in calculus, you can have them open any direction you want. So we also need to find the intercepts, like this has 2 x-intercepts and 1 y-intercept. All right, for this particular problem, it's actually in vertex form, it's called. So the vertex is going to be, you use the opposite of this number, and that will tell you the x value. X is 4. And then once x is equal to a 4, if you put a 4 in here for x, it would say 4 minus 4 is 0. That part would disappear, and then it would say y equals -9. So that's the y value for the vertex, -9. To find out the intercepts, well, there's x-intercepts, or there can be x-intercepts. In order to find out where those could be, you set y equal to 0. And I think the easiest way to solve this equation would be add 9 to both sides in order to isolate the square part, and then do the opposite of squaring, which would be square root. When you take the square root of 9, though, be sure to put positive or negative the square root of 9. So we've got plus or minus 3 right here. And then over on this side, it's just x minus 4. So the last thing to do is add 4 to both sides. We'd have 4 added to this side. So it's 4 plus or minus 3. Well, 4 plus the 3, that's going to be 7. X equals 7. Or if you do 4 minus 3, that's a 1. X equals 1. All right, those are the x-intercepts. And for the y-intercept, that's where x equals 0. So y will equal 0 minus 4 squared minus 9. So this one you squared is going to be 16, and then 16 minus 9 is 7. So y is equal to 7. Oh, look at that coincidence. 7, 7, lucky sevens. So it's hitting the x-axis at 1 and 7. It's hitting the y-axis at 7. So the graph, I think I could put the graph right here. So what numbers do I need? I definitely need 1 through 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And on the y-axis, I need it to go up to 7. So I'm not going to draw all the hash marks. This is going to be y is 7. And then according to this, I need -9 on the y-axis. Okay, so 4, -9 is the vertex. Like I said earlier, the parabola can open either up or down. What controls that is this number out here in front of the parentheses, or in front of the x squared. If this is a positive, then it's going to be opening up like this one. Oh, happy face. And then if there were a negative here, it would look like this. So our parabola is going to be opening up. So from here, it's going to be opening up. And then it needs to hit the x-axis at 1 and 7. And it's going to hit the y-axis here at 7. So it's going to look like this. And that would be our parabola. And by label the graph, I meant you should be able to read where those important points are. If you want a little more information, you could put This is at 4, -9. There we go. Nice, happy parabola.